A very good morning to all lovely kids. Welcome back to the phonics class. So are you excited for the class? Yes, today we will do the formation, okay? So first I will tell you how you will write the sound between the two blue line, okay? I have changed the line color because all the time we are looking blue color, so today I thought I will make the lines red, okay? So this is the middle line. You need to make the sound between the two blue line in your notebook, okay? So see very carefully, you need to make the sound in the same pattern like I'm making here in the lines, okay? So first you need to come down, then make a curve and then a standing line touching the curve. So in this way you will make the sound. Now let's do the air tracing. For air tracing, take your index finger and trace along with me. Bring it down, make a curve and then a standing line. Bring it down, make a curve and then a standing line. Bring it down, make a curve and then a standing line. Now let's see some vocabulary words from the textbook. So for this you need to take your Phonics 5 picture book and then you will turn on to the page number 23. So we don't have much pictures of the sound. We have only 3 pictures. So the first one is umpire. 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 Second is umbrella. 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 Third is urn. 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 So children, read these words later along with your parents. Now let's do some writing work for the homework. So for the homework you need to take your book, my first writing book, small letters. After taking this book, you will turn on to the page number 48. And then here you can see the formation of the sound, okay? So umbrella, this is the spelling umbrella. So what you need to do is you need to trace and write the sound on the dots. So let me tell you how you will write the sound on the dots. So put your pencil and then bring it down, make a curve and then standing line touching the curve. In the same way, see very carefully and you need to make the sound in the same way. So in the same way you need to make the sound in your textbook. Do remember that you need to make your sound between the two blue lines. So see very carefully and then you make the sound in your textbook like I am telling you in this video. So I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye, kids.